when someone says, I'm getting married, why is it impolite to say, why? Why? You're about to do something incredibly dangerous that fails so much of the time. Why not just say, why? I'm not saying, why would you do that? It's stupid. I'm saying, why? Because most people's answer doesn't make any sense.
Marami akong kilala, kliyente, kaibigan ng kaibigan, so on and so forth, yung nagpakasal nang hindi nila alam or hindi nila naiintindihan yung dahilan or kung ano yung pinasok nila. Tingin nila yung kasal, yung magbibigay ng kasagutan or ng kaginhawan or ng improvement doon sa naghihingalong relasyon nila. Tingin nila, pag kinasal sila, mag-iiba yung pananaw nila doon sa partner nila. Tingin nila, pag kinasal sila, mag-i-improve kung ano yung meron sila. But like what I always said, marriage is just a celebration of what you've built. Ngayon, kung wala kayong naipundar, wala kayong pundasyon, wala kayong identity, kung ano kayo nung kinasal kayo or before kayo ikasal, magpapatuloy lang yon. And you know what's worse? Hindi kayo pwedeng maghiwalay. So, a lot of people are getting trapped doon sa kasal kasi nga yung pananaw nila sa kasal hindi nila maintindihan or hindi nila naiintindihan kung ano yung long-term effect nun. And one of the reasons is ayaw nilang tanggapin na ito yung totoong kalagayan ng sitwasyon nila. With or without marriage, naghihingalo yung relasyon nila dahil nga unang-una hindi nila alam kung paano ayusin yung problema, which is pag kinasal ka, hindi naman hihinto yung pagdaloy ng problema. Meron kayong may encounter na problema. Kung magjowa pa lang kayo, hindi nyo na alam mag-ayos ng problema. What more pag kinasal kayo? And then pangalawa, yung expectations nyo, yung unrealistic expectations nyo sa isa't isa, that would soon burn both of you out of your wits. So bago magpakasal, tanungin nyo muna yung mga sarili nyo kung ano yung meron kayo at bakit nyo gustong magpakasal. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.